Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 13.1 question number 4. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? Here you see, if we increase the number of bottles, time taken will be more, right? That means you can say that the number of bottles and the time taken in hours are in direct proportion, right? Therefore, you can say that the number of bottles, 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 and the time taken, and the time taken, and the time taken, and the time, and the time taken to fill these bottles, and the time taken to fill these bottles, these bottles are in direct proportion. These bottles are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion. That means the more number of bottles, the more time it will take, right? Since they are in direct proportion, we can write 840 by 6 is equal to x by 5 is equal to x by 5, x by 5. Or you can find the value of x as value of x is equal to 840 into 5 divided by 6 divided by 6. Therefore, if we divide it by 2, it is 3, 2 3 is 6, by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 to 4, it is 0, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 12, 3 4 is 12, 0, 140 into 5. If we multiply 140 with 5, 140 with 5, then we are getting 5 0, 0, 4 5 is 20, 2, it is 0, 5 is 5 plus 2 is 7, that is we are getting 700, we are getting 700, 7 0 0. Therefore, the value of x we are getting is 700, it is 700. The question, how many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? Therefore, we can say that 700 bottles, 700, how many bottles will it fill? That means you can say that it will fill, therefore it will fill, therefore it will fill 700 bottles, 700 bottles, 700 bottles in 5 hours, in 5 hours. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.